are the best kind of chip.
Really?
I think that is the best kind.
Really? Huh? Sick of this.
You think you know this story? You don't know this story. I'm gonna tell you the real story about why he's so big and bad. You know, and like these stories always do, this one starts with a woman. Woman with a cold, cold heart. You know, I hear there was a time when she loved him. Loved him more than a jar of pickles.
Gotta love those pickles, yeah.
Oh yeah, ain't nothing like a nice dill pickle, man. I ain't got no use for them, what's it, gherkins or jerkin, whatever that. I don't like them sweet pickles.
Those gherkin pickles, yeah.
Yeah, no thank you. Anyway, I hear tell that she loved him until he asked for her hand. He asked for her hand and she ripped out his heart. Just like that scene in Alien. Y'all remember that, right? Oh man, that was some nasty
business, yeah.
Oh yeah, you ain't lying, boy. Bet you think you know how this story ends. I ain't got time for this.
Hey, where you going, man? You're my ride home.